here we are at carpet removal, now that the seats have been removed. These push pins I had out the other day, so I already popped them up. I lost a few. I went to Mazda, bought a couple. I'm gonna use one of these pry tools for the little push pins here and there so I don't break them. They're not expensive, but it's annoying that you have to replace them here and there. After a few, kind of get nickeled and dimed. So let's start with the top piece there. With the seats being out, it's much easier. Ow, son of a. So go up there. I was able to actually pop this out by hand from underneath the carpet. All right, somebody popped one of these screw style ones in. Let's take these pins out so I don't lose them. Put them in a safe place. So this carpet, look, it actually has the original part sticker on it. That's cool. Carpet. The top piece is open. You can see the access panel to the rear or the front of the engine, or rear depending on which side you want to look at it. I'm going to take this piece off too. Looks like it just comes off. There are some push pins down here. Pops right out. Get my finger under this. It's got a nice wide head, so it should come out nicely. Use the carpet to help support the head. Let's get this part out. The tricky part is getting your finger under there first. All of them out. None of them broke. Cool. Let's just take this piece out. This is what it looks like. So the spare tire wheel well kind of hole goes there. It would mount to this. I believe this covers the fuel pump. I'm not sure what's under the passenger side, and I think the ECU or something sits here. The carpet looks like it's attached to these plastic trim panels, and it's probably attached here behind the seatbelt bolt. I'll have to take apart. Same on the other side. I don't know what I'm pointing the camera at, but you get the point. Let's see. There's a push pin here, and there's different types of fasteners throughout here. This one is one of those screw out push pins. Oh, this whole thing's spinning. You gotta hold it sometimes. Push that out. Push that out. Push that out. Push that out. Okay. Oh, so this is what's back here. Maybe I could also figure out why my speakers don't work properly. Sometimes the left one kind of works, cuts out, the right one barely works, and then sometimes it works again. Well, do the same on the other side. There are push pins here too that hold this carpet down. Just use my little tool, get under there, launch them around in the little car. Yep. Okay. That's two. Any more? One by the pedals, like way in there. These little guys have to come out too. You see how they kind of hold down the carpet? It's a little bolt. It's a 10 mil. Two 10 mils come out. Take your little carpet things out. All right. Goes back. All right, you guys ready? This is what it looks like underneath. Not too bad. Oh, it's dusty. 26-year-old carpet dust. Delicious. Okay. All right. I think this looks pretty good. Right? Don't you think? How does this carpet come out? It's stuck under this. Perfect. Just slide it out, easy. I'm caught on something else again. It's here. What am I caught on? Is that a push pin? Oh. Oh, that is a push pin. Somehow missed this one. And it's gone. Okay. I'm going to take this out. It's pretty thin, kind of gross, but that does not look rusty to me. That looks good. This looks like some other kind of bracing. There's some like surface rust here, but this is not a big deal. I'm gonna wipe this down to kind of clean this up, and I'm gonna peel this guy out. It's glued in. Whatever. Nobody wants this. This allegedly absorbs water, and it'll rust that nice floor pan through. So we don't want that. Let's get rid of this. So I peeled the carpet back. Looks like this stuff is just on Velcro. Just kind of slide it up. A bunch of this stuff should just actually slide up around the seat belt. I don't have to take the seat belt off. So this makes this pretty handy. I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same. I mean, if you guys do this, you'll find all the tension points. Careful, the carpet is a little bit brittle, kind of thin and cheap, but it does its job, I guess. I'm not gonna try to figure out how to get this out of here if possible without taking these things out, but you know, it might not work out. Alright, that came out pretty cool. So shove the boot through the hole for the handbrake. Slide the other seat belt hole out. Okay, so here we go. One carpet completely removed. Put it aside. Ooh, this side looks a little bit more rough. Ooh, I actually have a hole here. Oh no, that's not good. So let's get rid of this. And I'll clean this up and come back.
And there you have it, carpet removal on an Autozam AZ-1 and Suzuki Cara.